Pikachu?
The Pokemon's name is Mimikyu. Look, he might look scary. That's part of why I like him, cause he look crazy. He look crazy, don't get me wrong. But once you know why he looks the way he looks, touch your soul, okay? Make you act different, make you move a different way. So let me give you a little backstory. So he's a ghost fairy type. He's a shy guy, he don't like the sun. He wears a cloak just to hide from it. But here's where it gets crazy. Most importantly, he wants attention. Cause look, he decided to look like Pikachu. Cause all he ever wanted was to be loved like Pikachu. I told you it's gonna get you. So I thought, why not make a little tribute to the boy Mimikyu, my favorite Pokemon easily. That's what we gonna do, and if you wanna see that, go ahead and stick around. Watch the video, okay? Like, subscribe if you want to. We about to get into it. Maybe you got a new favorite Pokemon. Maybe you could add it to your top 10, or just one that you like, or maybe you hate them. It's okay. Hope you guys like the video. Stay safe out there. Wash your cheeks, stay clean. I'ma see you guys. Let's go.